how to unlock all 100 plus cars in your Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005 and how to do this. So basically what you need to do is you need to download this mod from NFS mods. Make sure you download this exact same one, NFS FW extra options. After installing it, you need to right click on it and extract it. After extracting, copy the files and paste it in the speed.exe directory. After that, restart your PC and then check your game, and then hopefully your problem has been solved. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.